Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to add a featured channel to YouTube, first thing that you must understand is that you cannot do it on the application. So you have to go open up a web browser into your device and you can just simply go to studio.youtube.com. So guys, if you have the application, you must uninstall it first because if you have the app, it will be automatically opening the application. So now, once you are here, it will be automatically on desktop mode. So first is just simply zoom in and go to the left side and select this pencil icon over here. Now guys, once you are here, you could just simply go to the home tab over here. Now guys, once you are in the home tab, just simply scroll to the left side and you should be able to see here add section. So go ahead and tap on add section and you should be able to see here featured channel down below. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you should be able to see here the section title. So provide a title. And now just simply go ahead and provide any channel on YouTube over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for my own personal channel. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select it and make sure it is checked. And just simply select done over here down below. And now you should be able to have the featured channel. So now guys, from here, just make sure to go to the top right and make sure to select publish in order for you to save the changes. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.